Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol has strongly criticized the Manipur government, stating it is shameful for the state government to depend on central government's consent, despite knowing that maintaining law and order is a state subject. He made these remarks while addressing a one-day discourse on the topic, Youths in Politics, Why and How. The event was hosted by Saram Nakin, a Congress intending candidate for the Thongju Assembly constituency at K3 Apokpa Community Hall, Akampat in Imphal East District. Speaking further, Bimol emphasized that the current crisis is completely unprecedented as the Meitei community, the backbone of Manipuri society, cannot travel beyond Kangla Tombi. He warned that this volatile situation should not be taken lightly while condemning the state government's alleged attempts to cover up its administrative failures. The Lok Sabha MP also accused the centre of directly interfering in Manipur's internal security affairs, despite the Indian constitution clearly designating law and order as a state subject. He pointed out that the central government appoints the state's DGP, adding that the norms for appointing top police officials are clearly stated in the landmark judgment of the Supreme Court in the Prakash Singh versus Union of India case.
Second, Maduka politicized possible Mari Lene and Shima Kankana, Ahusukana Naha Hayasi Kalimama, Mari Lene, powers in the land, Masito. So intellectual must have the gut, the courage to speak truth to the power. Intellectual power by the Achuma, television, the Kagumba discussion, the Ratrama Matam. Covered in article, even a matraba, journalist, a phone of a matraba. I even in Shiko with the Lantoradi, Nangin Nasi.
Meanwhile, MPCC General Secretary Saram Nakin highlighted the crucial need for political maturity to reform society. He stressed the urgency of halting corrupt election practices, specifically condemning the use of money, muscle power, fees, and intoxicant to sway young voters. He also traced the origin of state's ongoing unrest and criticized the government's response to the crisis as inadequate. The event was also attended by many Congress leaders, including MPCC General Secretary S. Manauton, H. Megachandra Mangang, K.S.H. Kennedy, Ningthogjum Popilal, MPCC member Atokpam Okendra, MPCC spokesperson P. Bamkim Chandra, and Achoybam David.
Kendramagi MLA have said, Karino Hagadi, Ivy Kendragi, Num Tanaba, I Kendragi, Torban Shemanaba, Tragagi Kendragi, Lapak, Shemanaba, Lupinati. Kendrama the MLA of the Toropa have said, Put Manipur State, Labaki, I am Shemanaba, Labaki policy program, Shemanaba, whatever. I give contribution as a woman of one Matota. Labaks and a policy program around the Toropodagi, Lainak Hazana told the Guinea of the Labaks, much at Kais. Aduna, I go again, Thongju Ken, Prazama, I get Tongan, Num